Hey, this is Chantel from WTI. When my husband started making his artwork, I knew I needed to get something to protect the corners during the shipping process. These picture frame corner protectors from Golden State Art have done the job. The corners come flat, but are quick and easy to assemble, taking only seconds. Having a guide of where to fold is really great, but there are also instructions that you can follow until you get the hang of it. Each corner comes with 3 tab slots that can easily be adjusted to wrap frame corners that range between 1 and 2.1 inches thick, which is really nice since his artwork varies in size. They are easy to slide on each corner and are just as easy to slide off. I love feeling confident knowing that his hard work is being protected during shipment. Therefore, leaving us with happy customers. But that's just my point of view.